Welcome to Istanbul!
These are my parents. They are devout Christians from a country where over 60% of the population claims to be Christian. And this is their first time visiting a majority Muslim country. Now, I haven't seen my parents in over a year, so we decided to meet in the most logical place for any family reunion, Istanbul, Turkey. Join us for a day of unexpected turns and surprises as we give you our honest first impressions. And welcome to Istanbul.
Today is going to be a very interesting day because it's Halloween, it's the 100-year anniversary of the Turkish Republic, and most importantly, we're here with Allie's parents from Brazil. So basically we're representing a few different cultures here and just giving you our honest sort of review or impressions of the city of Istanbul. Is it safe? Is it cheap? Is it
worth coming?
Oh, and by the way, Allie's father Israel does not speak English.
No English.
And Susanna speaks broken English, her mom. So this is going to be an adventure. So we're super excited to have you along. But first, let's try to find some of that iconic Turkish breakfast.
Very good.
For me, it's like more bitter and sweet at the same time. It's both, but I have to say, love Turkish coffee, but I still prefer Brazilian coffee. It's still my number one.
Yay, Brazilian coffee wins. The food has arrived and oh my gosh, look at this feast. And now we're gonna try. I don't know where we're gonna start, but let's do it.
Now look at the cheese.
My favorite with this.
Okay.
Combination.
Which is like it's like a garlic butter. Yeah, like a garlic herb butter and some other herbs. And then Israel.
For me, cheese and honey.
Oh, cheese and honey. Yeah,
Approved.
very sweet. Approved. Now we got energy for the rest of the day. Cats are everywhere. Oh my goodness. We're here at the infamous Galata Tower, which is actually a tower built by the Byzantines with a giant chain across the Bosphorus, which is the kind of the big river here in Istanbul to control trade in and out. Then it became, I think, like a prison, something else, and now it's sort of like a tourist attraction where you can view from the outside as well as go inside. But there's a super long line. It was like $23. So for us, I'm like, I don't think it's worth it personally.
No, and the view, like, it's a little bit of a cloudy day. You can't see it that much.
Yeah, really, really impressed by Istanbul so far, but we got a lot more to see. So let's go. Look at this line. This is all for Hagia Sophia. Look, all the way. I've never seen a line this long for anything in my life. All right, so the women need to put on the head covering, but we're good. 007 and I are good.
All right, we're in. Now, time to take our shoes off. The history of Hagia Sophia is amazing because it was built during the Byzantine Empire. So it was first a Christian temple, but then once it got conquered by the Ottomans, then it became a mosque. So now we can see all of the mosque features, and it's absolutely incredible how tall it is, all of the details, the patterns, the scripts, amazing.
Para mim foi uma experiência muito marcante. Fiquei muito impressionado por essa construção aqui, saber que ela foi concebida por Constantino, dá sempre uma emoção maior, imperador cristão, E aqui na mesquita é tudo muito lindo, sobretudo a beleza desses lustres.
Wow, I am feel emotion because I think about Jesus. I think about religions. When I saw the Jesus image in the temple
In a mosque.
Muslim,
Yeah, in a Muslim temple.
yeah, this fact impacted my life because I think God revealed himself for all the religions, different ways. One day, this revelation, wow, everybody will see.
It was very discouraging when you saw the land, but it moved really quickly and it's worth it.
Yeah. Now, on to the next one.
Go, Dad.
Macio, gostoso.
Fluffy, delicious.
We just left Hagia Sophia in an Uber and arrived here at the port to go on a sunset cruise because Istanbul is supposed to have one of the most beautiful skylines at sunset, so we're super excited because it already looks beautiful. And a little tip, so when we left Hagia Sophia, we were trying to get an Uber and we couldn't for a little bit, so we asked the taxi how much, and he quoted us $30 for like, I don't know, 10-15 minute ride. Where we get the Uber, it was less than $5. So what is that, like 7 times the price, or no, 6 times the price? Crazy. So whenever you can, get the Uber app, try to use an Uber. If not, you have to negotiate a price or just use the taxi meter. But some are refusing to use the taxi meter in certain areas and just quote you a super high price, or just tell you to get in and then tell you a high price later. So yeah, if you already watched my Istanbul taxi scam YouTube short compilation, you would know. But I just want to kind of share that little tip. Between taxis and cigarettes, those are the 2 least favorite things about Istanbul, but I think pretty much everything else has been amazing. So yeah, should be really beautiful. Very excited. Let's enjoy.
Right now, we're in the middle of 2 continents. To our left, we have Asia. Dad's in Asia. Mom's in the middle, and I'm in Europe.
Even if we travel by boat, we still can't escape baklava. Here at Seven Hills Cafe, and we got some, local sea bass, because fish here specifically in Istanbul is big. Got some tea and some other things, but the reason that we're here isn't actually as much the food as it is the view. You can kind of see of the Hagia Sophia Mosque back where we were a little bit earlier. So this is the restaurant that has the best view, both during the day or at night, of both the Blue Mosque on one side and the Hagia Sophia on the other. So yeah, just gonna kind of eat here. Really great food, great staff as well.
And then give our final thoughts later. Yeah.
What an amazing meal and an equally amazing view at the Seven Hills Cafe.
Yeah.
We all agree we had a really wonderful time in Istanbul.
Like Istanbul? Gostou?
Sim.
Yeah.
See?
Very much.
We'll see what was their favorite and least favorite aspect of Istanbul. Mom.
Yes.
For me, it's very difficult to choose, but I love it. Food, people, mostly we meet my daughter.
Seeing me again.
What's the biggest negative for you about Istanbul?
O negativo.
Cigarettes.
Everyone's smoking
cigarettes.
Yeah.
That is okay. Ali?
It's not common in Brazil at all.
Ali, you go.
For me, I loved our sunset cruise. I think that it was really chill, like the views. I really enjoyed that cruise. And my least favorite were the prices. Like Sumner said, we came here 3 years ago and we were so shocked by how cheap things were. And so we were a little bit disappointed about how expensive things were, which understandable, like the economy has been
But I would
suffering.
say, Istanbul is definitely still an inexpensive destination, but it's not as cheap as it was in other years, probably because it's been growing in popularity. So keep that in mind. You watch some older vlogs, it's probably going to be more expensive, but I think still worth it though. I definitely agree.
Definitely.
And then favorite, least favorite, Israel.
Favorite.
Eu, de uma maneira geral, gostei muito da Turquia.
In general, he loved Turkey.
Mas eu diria que o favorito foi o passeio de barco pelo Estreito de Bósforo.
The favorite was...
costeando as margens asiática e europeia da Turquia.
Yeah, the favorite was being the Bosphorus cruise in between the two continents, between Turkey, Europe and Asia. E o negativo?
É o cheiro de cigarro em todas as repartições em que a gente anda.
It's the same. The cigarette smell everywhere you go. That's the biggest thing.
And then, finally, kind of for me, echoing what's already been said, but number one is the architecture. Really distinct and beautiful, like just overall, and I think especially on that cruise, that's where you really saw the landscape, or I should say the skyline of Istanbul, especially at sunset. That was like really beautiful, but every single stop was just really magnificent. Like the top places to be in Istanbul are all beautiful. Really, next time I really want to explore the Asia side, because we heard a lot of good things about Sicily, the Asia side of Istanbul.
We want to go back to the Asia.
So we definitely want to go there. You might be thinking, wait, are we still in Istanbul? No. We're now here in Cappadocia, giving you a little taste of our next adventure, exploring, this ridiculously unique part of the world. Which we're super, super excited to share with you. And we hope you love this adventure, because we love having you along with us. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and watch our other adventures through Turkey, Tunisia, and abroad. And as always, thank you so much for watching. God bless you and your travels, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then,
bye!